Welcome to Be Cantonese. My name is Isabella. In this video, you're going to learn how to describe men in Cantonese. And beside that, I have a big news to announce. I am going to publish my first ebook. Let's begin with this word that you will hear in Hong Kong for 1,000 times. Gwailou. Gwailou. You are a foreigner. Lou means man. And before this word, you can use a lot of adjectives to describe what type of man they are. My channel is designed for English speakers to learn Cantonese. And maybe you haven't noticed that B means bitches. I'm not a sweet, innocent, quiet, or professional woman teaching Cantonese here because I think that's so lack of personality, you know? You can search up Cantonese and you will see tons of videos and materials for you to learn Cantonese. But why me? Because first, I was born in Hong Kong, and second, I am a bitch. Why would I say this to myself? Isn't that a bad word? I want to teach more than just Cantonese. Cantonese can be used to describe your level and how much power you own. Take a look at this example. Dai, that means big. Zhong, that means middle. Sai, that means small. And when we classify men by their age, this becomes interesting. Zhonglou, Zhonglou, that means middle-aged man. Sai lou, that means younger brother. Dai lou, you will hear this word a lot in Hong Kong movies, especially in the gangster movies. Because dai lou can mean older brother, or if you're not blood related, he may be the boss. A man who holds more power in a group will often be called dai lou, to show that he has gained respect. My book I Heart Bitch is for everyone who has ambition but often get misunderstood. This review version includes 4 chapters of Cantonese phrases and the logic behind, and 6 pages to analyze what makes a woman a bitch. Hate her or like her, she is in your heart. Think of a woman who has rejected you. Think of a woman who is so pretty and lucky, and a woman who is your love rival. If she gets everything you want, isn't she a bitch? I suggest that a woman who has all 3 qualities, courage, luck, and beauty, is the reason why she's called a bitch. Bitches Cantonese doesn't only teach you Cantonese like a dictionary, but it's a tool for you to decode the reality that's wrapped in Cantonese. Think about this. Words does not carry weight. Words does not carry emotions. You make them affect you. I am a content creator. I put myself out here on YouTube. Of course I'm going to be called ugly. And if you think that's gonna hurt me, you're so lame. How do we describe this man in Cantonese? Mông lỗ, mông lỗ, sổ lỗ, sổ lỗ. You're so silly. And how do we describe kinky man in Cantonese? Bin thai lỗ, bin thai lỗ, hàm sấp lỗ, hàm sấp lỗ, chi xin lỗ, chi xin lỗ. Women, we should really protect ourselves. But hey, if you're a man and you're thinking, I don't think I need to read I Heart Bitch. This book is not just for women. It's for everyone with a goal in mind. Let's say you are a shy person and you feel like, maybe there's nothing to do about it. I always envy people who are so confident. And here I am, I'm just a loser. This book doesn't transform you into an alpha male right away, but you will get to learn to accept yourself. You don't have to be loud and confident everywhere, but in your heart, you know that it's okay to be quiet. I didn't write this book to save everyone. It's not a typical self-help book to tap you on the shoulder, hey, you did good. I'm here to tell you the truth. You can't avoid competition. If you're talented, if you have really good academic results, I think you understand this. That is an environment where you feel like every day you're walking on a string. If you fail, people are gonna laugh at you. If you fail, people are gonna look down on you. I know how it feels. I know that you want to be special, and I also know that you're afraid of being special. Because you can hear that people are saying, ugh, who do you think you are? Ugh, who are you trying to impress? And the worst is, if you try to seek help, some people are just gonna throw this to you. If everyone dislikes you, you must be the problem. That's the ultimate gaslighting. And let me tell you one thing I wish my younger self knew. I don't have to dim my lights to make everyone feel safe. I'm not here to please everyone, and it's impossible to make all of them happy. It's a cruel world we're living in. It's never, oh, I want to be like her. It's, I want to destroy her so I can have her position. If it's so hard to fit in, maybe you don't have to. This is today's lesson. Remember to subscribe to Bitches Cantonese. I'll see you every Wednesday.